In today's video, we're gonna make some lemon blueberry pancakes. They have a fluffy texture, they taste delicious. Let's make them together. Now in this bowl, I already measured my flour. I'm gonna have for you all the ingredient measurements right below this video, so no need to take notes. And if you love pancakes, give this a thumbs up. I'll make some more on my channel. To the flour, I'm going to add some baking powder. Baking powder is what makes our pancakes rise, so make sure to not skip that. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and a pinch of salt. Let's mix the dry ingredients to combine, just like this. Into the dry ingredients, I'm going to add an egg, a little bit of melted butter, milk, and the zest of 1 lemon. I'm simply zesting the yellow part of the lemon. Make sure you don't zest all the way down to the white, and then you'll have some underneath, which you'll just scrape off and place it in your bowl. Now all you have to do is with a whisk, combine the ingredients. I'm going to break up the egg in the middle, and then all of the ingredients go around my bowl just like this. I can already smell the lemon zest in here. It smells so good. And I can't wait for you guys to see the texture of these pancakes. Now the last step is to fold in our blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen, whatever you have, and that's abundant that time of the year. And I'm going to fold these in right into my batter. Now I'm already preheating my griddle right here, which I'm going to use a little bit of butter, but you can use oil to grease it. And then pour about 1/4 cup of pancake batter right into my hot griddle. And after about 2 minutes, once you see that they have some defined edges and the middle start to look cooked, we flip them and they cook for another minute or so on the other side. Now these right here look like they're ready, so I'm simply going to take them off my griddle and plate them. They have a beautiful color and texture. I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter on the top, drizzle some maple syrup, and cut into these. Check them out. Now make sure you watch this syrup recipe next so your blueberry lemon pancakes can turn out awesome every single time. See you guys next time.